The fear of homelessness is one of many threats that prevents people who are suffering from domestic and sexual abuse from fleeing. 51% of families experience homelessness. 32% of those families are homeless due to domestic violence. The Domestic Violence Action Center partners with Shelter House and Bethany House of Northern Virginia to provide a secure environment for victims of domestic and sexual violence, stalking, and human trafficking. The shelters are in undisclosed locations, meaning the addresses of the shelters are not given out to the public for the safety of the residents. Both shelters provide advocacy, emotional support, case management, court accompaniment, financial assistance, and transportation assistance. Shelter House is primarily short-term support in a community-based setting. Adults of all genders and their children are accepted. Clients must be Fairfax County residents. Services are meant to stabilize housing, reduce the threat of imminent danger, and help victims of domestic violence avoid homelessness. Bethany House of Northern Virginia only accepts cisgender and transgender women. Clients do not have to be Fairfax County residents. It includes a 4-month shelter stay with the possibility of an extension, 2-year aftercare program with ongoing counseling and pantry item support, life enrichment classes, counseling, and group services to in-shelter clients and individuals within the community, and a safe house that can house up to 5 adult women dependent upon the amount of children. If you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence and needs a safe place to stay, please contact Shelter House at 703-435-4940 or Bethany House at 703-658-9500.